welcome back everybody to your boy Gabs. We are going to do basic data structures today. So let's see what we got going on with basic data structures. We're gonna do introduction to lists and arrays. So all right. So these are good for storing massive quantities of data into one single variable with multiple. So like if I have like 4,000 different names of students I can create one array of students and then just say, all right, let's find, give me the first 1,000 students or something like that, right? So, what's the assignment here? Create an array of the top 5 places you would like to travel to call travel list. Okay, so let's create a variable. Let's call it travel list, right? No, it's not that. When we do arrays, it's actually that right there. Yep, and so we can also go back here, right? So if we go to, it should have a section for arrays, right? Yes. I like, even though it looks like that, right? I'd rather do it this way. Top 5 places would be my bed, comma, the ice cream store, and I don't know, the moon. And we should end it with that. And then what does it do? It says print out the item at index 2. Okay, and does it have anything about printing? Oh, it doesn't have anything about printing here. Well, we know are the print features. We've been doing the print feature since, forever. Prints. Oh, we got print line. Travel list. And we want second item. There. Run the code. Is there an error somewhere? Oh, yeah, I know. Right. I forgot to put quotation. Because this is a string, we have to make sure. The moon. Good. Submit and continue. Is good. List of even numbers. Create an array for the first 5 even numbers starting at 0. Print out the items at index 0, 2, and 4. So let's remember that index 0 technically is the very first one. So create a variable. Even numbers, right? Equals 0. Is it 0 count? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And then print a line. The number. I asked if that's what it was, and they said there was nothing in there. Whatever. It's good. Okay. There we go. Very nice. This is actually going a lot faster than I thought it would. Okay, introduction to arrays. Arrays. or create an array. Okay. Really say what we're gonna call it. Websites. Um. For the sake of time. Trying to do websites I know. How many do I want? 4 favorite websites. I don't know. Canvas.com. I don't even know if that's a website. Oh, I have a mistake. And says print out the 0 element. At the 0th element. Yes. So websites. Let's say we have to say, all right, for the 0th element, that is now equal to www. No, it doesn't say that. It just says CodeHS.com. And we should print line at. Run that code. Here we go. Check the code. Code works out. Looks good to me. Looks good to you. Looks good to everybody. Let's go, baby. All right, practice push and pop. What? What? Makes no sense.
That picture is so cute.
Oh yeah? I don't get any signal in here.
Oh my god.
Okay.
Oh.
I have a cute baby apparently, right?
Okay, well, first she said this one,
Hehe.
and then
in
heaven, Gabs.
Yeah, I have the easiest baby to watch though.
Look, I mean, just look at the smile on her. Yeah, well, Apples is watching Gab's baby this. Oh, is she back here? Yeah, she's
Eh.
Are you serious? Look at that face. Oh my gosh, how cute! Because his babysitter's on maternity, so Eva's watching this baby. Like, oh, how lucky! She is so happy. I wrote her, "You're in heaven." Anyways, Gabs, that baby's so cute.
Thank you, thank you. Apparently I have a cute baby. guess there's a feature called array.push. Well, we've created the variable array, right? And didn't put anything in it. It's empty. And then we were using the push feature. So I've seen that down here somewhere. When I did that. I could have sworn I saw push down here when I did this. Ah, yeah, it's add an element to an array.push, right? So they actually give you that method. And they said, all right, look, you're going to do that. And then they actually did it here, right? Removes the last element. So if they did array.pop, POP, an element 0, an element 1. Yeah, because there's no element 1 because like they only it's 5, right? Because they put in their 5, and that's the first thing in the index. It's level 0. Now it's 12. Now it's 1. Now it's 1,000. Now it's 3. Now the last one, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom. Right. So they printed that one out. That's where we're here. Pop removes the last element. So variable last equals array dot pop. So the new array last is just like the other one, array, except it doesn't have the last element. Can't. Oh, this variable is the last. So go to the last one. Interesting. Okay. So then print out each individually. Oh my god, damn. Uh, E, B, C, D, E. Row, 2, 3. Make sure our code works. Perfect. That was easy. Print out each. Now pop the last 2 elements. So is it just something? We're supposed to go all the way to F. The 6 values. And then, well, I'm not copying. Forget that. That's ridiculous. Okay. Yeah, that was pretty easy. Yeah, a lot more done. I thought, man, this is going a lot faster than the, man, Unit 4. Whew. It's taking like 20, 30 minutes for each one. So we have array length and looping through arrays. So let's actually see what happened here. Open up those two. And then product of how far we can on this. I only have another like 20 minutes left. Write a program that outputs the product, then results of multiplying together all of the elements in an array. Create an array with the values 1, 8, 3, 4, 2, 9. Answer should be 1,708. It actually doesn't seem bad. And it doesn't seem bad at all. It has to create a variable called array, set it equal to. Let me give that to you. Less typing for me. And then print line. So now we have to create something called result. Result. And let's see. Sum array. Print shopping list. Sum equals 0. Yep, that's what we did here. Right? But in this case, it's actually, because if we do multiply by 0, then everything will be 0, right? But if it's 1, it'll be multiplied by 1. For 1 equals I, from 0 all the way to the length of the array. Array.length, yep, that is a common feature where you're going to have to really get used to array.length. So return the whole length of that array. Keep going on. Variable current equals, alright, so the current variable is the current, oh, that's so easy. But instead of plus minus, we'll do multiply. So actually, let's just take that and put it in here. Variable results. And we'll change that into multiply. That was super easy. Oh no. It's not taking it. It's too slow, Captain. Hey! I like it. I like it a lot. That was easy. Got a program that prints out a flight itinerary. The itinerary is a list of cities, and it should be an output like this. For example, the flights array is that. You print San Francisco to New York to Chicago to Honolulu. Okay, so every time we do something, we're gonna print that, then this, print that, then this, print that, then this, print that. So it'll keep printing. Right. Use this print because print line is print on a new line. Okay, so they probably even give that to you, right? Look at that. Okay. If the flights array variable. So we know that that's that. Check. Oh. Okay. Current. Variable current is the current. We're going to print current. Lights. Alright. So we have them all in order. Next up is what we have to do is we have to add the arrow. This is tough. because there's going to be 3 of them. Because what I was thinking was, we can print that, and then we can print it. Give us a space, and but that's what I was thinking. But there's that last one there. So what we need to do is we need to put like another for loop in here. Right? I'll tell you what. No. Because the for loop, that'll print 3 of them in here. If I is less than if state so if there's 1, 2, 3, 4, if I is less than the length of that array, I is less than light dot length minus 1. 0. Length is 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 2, 3. If I is 0, 1, 2. If I is... Okay, this has to be minus 1. I is 0, 3, 4. Right. Less than the total length. I don't know. Let's see what happens if we do this. Yeah, it has to be minus 1. Ah, that's what I'm talking about. Elegant. A lot of extra code, but elegant. Alright. I think we'll finish up 8.4 here and we'll be done for the day. Write a function that doubles a list. Create a new array in the function and then return it. Then you should print out the new list. Code will print. Yes. That's what it wants. So I have to create a new function. Called double of the array. That's interesting. Oh, this is tough. What if I create a new array? That's going to be equal to... And then what I'll do is... add to an element, so I can do need that. New right dot push. Now do it twice. No. Give me a second. This has to be the length of the array that's given. But this doesn't add anything. Element. The element that we're on is array. Whatever I we are on. Oh, old. Ah. Because there's no void. Interesting. Yep. Where did they talk about? Did they ever mention that you have to have a return? Oh. God, that's so crazy that they would do that. They would, you would know to put in a return value here. Like, oh, and they, wait a second, turn it. Man, I'm lucky I know Java, or else I would not have seen that. So yeah, because there's no static static void in here, you have to actually return that value. So when you run this, this will be outputted. That's great. Okay. Takes an array number. So we're gonna have to use modulus. Modulus divided by 2 equals 0, then it'll push it. So basically the same thing that we just did. Gradient function. This one's called only array. And same we did last time. Call I call upon you. If, this is where our if statement. If array I that we are at divisible by 2, meaning if that equals 0, then the do array will push right here. And that's it. That's it. This one's actually pretty simple. So it'll run through it, and if it's visible by 2, it'll keep it. Right? Code. Yeah, that was easy. Once we did the last one, this one was like super easy. We're all the same. I haven't even read it yet. Function this first list. Ooh, ugh. Empty. Elements of the array in reverse order and then returns it. Array first list or function works. I okay, so we're actually going to start at the very end, so check this out. We're actually not going to start at 0. This is just a change in logic here. You just got to be decent at logic. So instead of it going to 0, first thing of it this way, we're actually going to subtract, right? And when I, not less than, it's when I is greater than 0, right? I equals the array dot length. From the length of the array all the way to 0. But we're going to have to do a subtract 1. Array length 4 to 1. Nope, no, we're good, we're good. I think we're going to have to do 1 because this is a 0. But if I equals 1, 2, 3, 4, if I equals 4, this is 4, then this is 3, this is 2, then that's 1. Then do array push the current array I. Let's say return it. And let's see if I have. Oh no. I knew I was going to have to do a -1 in there. Nice. Right, because even this is for our I equals 4, 3, 2, 1. This has a value of 0, 1. Oh goodness, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So we need the array at the third Create the second, 0 to the first, and at the 0 position. Nice. And we are done. 1, 2, 4. And then we are going to, wow, oh, crazy ball. I don't like it. Do 8.5 in the future. So, hope you enjoyed it. On out. Stay safe.